DBeaver is one of the top SQL clients. It supports multiple databases like Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, etc. Let's see how to download and install DBeaver. Go to Google and search for DBeaver download. Click on the link dbeaver.io. DBeaver Community is a free product and DBeaver Pro is a commercial product with some advanced features. Click on Windows Installer link to begin downloading DBeaver. Double-click the downloaded file. Select Language and click OK. Click Next. Read the terms of agreement and click on I agree. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Check Create Desktop Shortcut. Click Finish. Let's open DBeaver using Desktop Shortcut. Windows Firewall may block DBeaver. Click on Allow Access. DBeaver provides sample SQLite database and hence you don't need to install database for practicing SQL queries. Click Yes to create sample database. Choose Data Sharing option. Click on SQLite DB connection. DBeaver will ask you to install SQLite drivers. Click on Download. Let's check the tables from sample database and run query. Open new SQL script. Click on the New Connection button. We can see DBeaver supports multiple databases here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like Facebook page.